Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to apply gradient text in Photoshop. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is a pretty simple tutorial. All you really have to do is open up a new project, which you guys probably already have. And all you want to do, select your text tool right here and just click and write some text. So we'll just go ahead and write text. And since my text right now is in white, we're just going to move it to black real quick. That way you guys can actually see it, and I forgot to select it all. There we go. Now you guys can actually see our text. So it's as simple as just double clicking on text, and we're opening the layer styles. Then we're going to want to scroll down right where you see gradient text. You can just click on it and it will automatically check mark this box. If it doesn't, then just go ahead and click on it. And this is where we will get this gradient overlay for our text. Okay guys, so I would definitely recommend having your blend mode on normal, because I mean that's the normal way to put it, and I always have my opacity at 100%. So if we want to change this gradient, all you really have to do is just click this checkbox and it will bring down this drop menu, and this is where you basically have a ton of presets. I made my own preset with this, and I'll show you guys how to make your own preset for a gradient text in just a minute, but you can just change it up by just clicking on it. So as you can see, we have some pretty crazy ones. We have rainbow text right here. Then we have this orange to gold to orange. This is personally my favorite, and so let's go ahead and just like recreate this. So what you're going to want to do, instead of clicking that drop down menu, you're just going to want to click on this. So this gives us this option down here to basically select our colors. So just click on the one that you want to change. And then you're just gonna click on the color, double click on it, and then we can basically just change these values. So let's say that I'm trying to make kind of like a blue. So I would definitely like get like this darker blue first, and then we just want to come over here. We will go back to that same blue, but we want it just a bit brighter, I feel like. So that looks pretty good. And as you guys can see, it's already changing on our text. So it already looks really good. And I'm just going to go ahead and click OK, because this is what I want to have. So you can also change the angle. So like you can change the direction of the gradient. But I really like it at 90 just because I feel like it looks better for like YouTube thumbnails and everything. And I accidentally closed out of our layer styles tab. But I just opened that back up. And I do want to say one tip that I would have. Using gradient styles, you definitely want to apply a stroke, because I feel like the stroke just makes it kind of pop, and you can definitely see that gradient just a bit more. So guys, that does wrap up today's video on how to get gradient text in Photoshop. If this video did help you out, then be sure to like and subscribe, because we are on our way to 50 subscribers, and that would be huge if we could hit that pretty soon. But with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.